Hi, I'm Dominic Lindley. I work at the university as a careers information advisor. I normally give advice to students on a whole range of careers issues, and also we help with things like CVs. A lot of students come in and they want to update their CV and to make it effective to apply for specific jobs. A lot of what we do is actually looking at what they currently have on their CV and trying to make it effective in terms of making it very specific to the type of job that they're going for. Sometimes there's a bit of confusion about what they need to include in their CV and what style they need to follow. So often we'll sit down with students and have a chat with them about which are the most specific skills and how they can communicate that on the CV, and also make sure that it's a clear, concise document. The CV is a marketing tool essentially for yourself, so it needs to be very clear and concise and to the point, and it needs to show clearly to the employer very quickly what skills you have and why they should want to employ you or invite you to the next stage to actually have an interview. In terms of what to include in the CV, obviously you have your personal information. Also you'd need to detail information such as what experience you've had in the past and try and make it as related to the type of the job that you're going for as possible. You would also need to talk about what education you have, not just your degree subject, but also give details of, for example, any relevant modules or projects that you've worked on that might be useful for the employer. Another thing that people tend to forget to put in is what they do in their personal life, such as social events. Maybe they're involved in sports teams and they organise events. Again, another skill that they could use within the CV. Some people volunteer their time for a range of different projects, and these are definitely things that you'd want to think about putting in your CV if they can demonstrate skills that the employers are looking for. In terms of the format of the CV, there is no perfect CV, although we get asked about that a lot. You need to really try and focus the CV to put your key skills first. So often that's about thinking what the employer is looking for and what core skills you have that you want to talk about first.